Trust Fintech is transforming digital banking with secure, efficient, and customer-first solutions. WhatsApp Banking is a secure and user-friendly service that brings your bank to your favorite messaging app without the need for additional apps or complicated logins. Enjoy a simple chat-based interface, instant responses, and round-the-clock availability. With end-to-end encryption, every transaction is protected, giving you peace of mind with every interaction. Access a wide range of services directly on WhatsApp. Check your account balance, view mini statements, find nearby branches or ATMs, and more. All in just a few taps. Your security is our priority. With end-to-end encryption, multi-factor authentication, and strict compliance with regulatory standards, your data remains safe and confidential. Trust Fintech is transforming digital banking with secure, efficient, and customer-first solutions. To learn more, connect with us today.